I have to wait till the camera started. I'm going to be throwing in and off images. Lead off, hitter. Lead off with his head. Now, who said off with his head? It was, that's right, Alice in Wonderland, the queen. Snow White, 1 ton. 1 ton omega, okay? Omega energy, a 1 ton, 2.20462 kilogram, 462. 220, 462, connecting 2 sides. It ain't 6 numbers here. It's the explanation of 2 sides of things. Kilogram, 27, beta creation, break and entering, enough energy because we gotta have a big bang. Black cat and white cat. They both jumped through a screen and they told the truth. They got skunked. 2 sides of black, 1 side of white. 2 sides of white, 1 side of black. If you have black to the left and white in the center, the numbers to black and white is 65 and 29. They're 11, 11 equally. 29 will recreate 29, and 65 will create 41. The IT system in the sun of creation of probably the white light or the white mist. Remember, when you boil, when a wave moves over the next wave, you see the white waters. When you boil, you see the steam come out as a cloud. It seems like the white cloud when it comes closer together. So 41 will create 1 times 4 will create 5 and 4, 9. And 1 and 4, 6 and 29 will create 2 and 9. So one will create 2 and 9, and the other one will create 4 and 5. So 4 and 9 is 4, and 2 and 9. Let me write this down. 2 and 9, and 2 and 9, and 6 and 5 will create 30 and 11. This one is white, 65. This one is white, 65. This one is black, 29. So this will create 2 times this. So you take your dice and you put it square, because I need these corners over here, right? 2 times 9, 18, right? So wouldn't you want to run it offline? Because the minute you run it offline, you start running into everybody else's house. You have changed your corners. See the way there's 4 over here? That fits into the 4. But when I do this, okay, it not only fits on the 4, over the 4, but into the next house. 18 and 9 and 2 is 11. So the plus sign, if I do this here, I can get a direct plus sign, right? But the real direct plus sign is the greatest angle. So that's your plus sign. Your 45-degree angle is your plus sign. Now your multiply sign is when we reach corner to corner. Greatest diameter, corner to corner. Corner to corner. Not here, corner to corner. Look how small that is, right? This shows small. Plus shows small. If we ran it this way, it would show small. But this is cutting off the corners. Showing small. Showing small. At the same time. Okay, so I'm trying to show you that I can see it both ways. Like you would say, how come it's not like this? Corner to corner. Corner to corner. Create 1 and 9. But here, low shoe shows it this way, 1 and 9. So that's why I'm going with low shoe. If I go with low shoe, it's like this. 45-degree angle, 1 and 9. Actually, that symbol of 1 and 9 is actually that one over here. Right over to the other side, right? You can have N coming in from the void. N. Watch this. Watch this. You put this like this, right? And you have all the way up, and N goes all the way down. Right? All the way down. So now, we're going to go N. You notice, if we can get a little bit of light here, they wouldn't have that shadow. See I'm going to just show you the top part of this. My water's boiling, hold on. Okay, we're going to continue on with this design. If you notice, when I put this in here, it makes a number 1. You notice that? It's almost like a number 1. This is almost like the F, right? The F letter. The F letter. Short arm and a long arm. You get the F letter. Okay, here we're going to finish off with 30. This becomes 41. Remember, the 0 cycle, left and right. I'm going to start changing things around. Down 3 and up 3. Okay, total distance of 6. Most likely, I mean, could be also that it depends if it's 1, 2, 3. See, if it's 3, it says from the center, left and right. If it's 2, it's on each side. So you have to go from one side to the other side, from here and here to here and here. This would be 20. So it would be a total of 6, because it's in the 10. Each one of these would be 10 and 10, right? Do you understand what I'm saying? There'll be 10 away, so there'll be 10 away from each other. So 6 this way and 6 this way. 6 this way and 6 this way. Leaves it 4 away and 4 away. Area space. 8. The 8 heaven of separation. 6 and 6. 3. and 9, 3, 6, 9. The same thing your calculator says. I just noticed this all now. Okay, I'm not sure exactly how it works. Like I say, it's pieces and parts. Once you got all the parts and pieces, eventually you're going to put it together. So what you have now with 3, 6, 9 is you start here and you go here, it's 3, and you go here, and it's 3, because this area over here in itself is 3 in itself, right? Or would it only be 3, 6, 9 for the greatest distance? Because it's always 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. So if I'm going from here to here, that's 3. If I'm going from here to here, that's 6. Now where do we get 9? Where do we get the total of 9? Where are we going actually to get the total of 9? That's my next question. There's many ways to look at this, and wow, another 7-minute video. I'm asking you questions. I'm asking myself questions. We started with this. Let's leave this at 41, okay? Let's leave this at 29. The total is 12, okay? The distance. The total is 70 is the distance. The total will be 58. Plus and minus 6, 52 Earth, 64 Zion, Israel, 1.5 times rotation. This is the same time. We'll say 30 and 18 is 48, equaling to the word sun, Pluto, the heavens of one side. 4, heavens of one side. And don't forget, it's on this side, the 4, okay? The other one will be 11, 11. That'll be 22. 22 is the letter V. It means 5 for life. It means 5, 4. 5, 4 equals 20 and 9. It is the IT system of creation of C and E. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 in between everything. 1 and 2 in between everything. Operations. Operations of left and right, because you have the control. You control the left, you control the right, so let's just control the left and the right. And we'll control the two sides of the two worlds. Do you know what this is? FDL. Fleur de lis. Franklin. D. Well, that was FDR, but left and right, so controlling left and right. So we're going to leave this video at this. There's a lot to look at, white and black. So if I had black, and then I had white, and then I had black, okay, the outsides would be 58. The inside would be 65. If I connected these two, it would be 94. And 94 Uranus. 188. Connecting the... Now, if I had 65 on the outside, which would be both white, 65 and 65, that would be 130. Okay, that'd be 136. That'd be the touchdown. Or black is surrounded, 29 in the center. 136, I'm just thinking 107, B and E, breaking and entering to the birth. 29, birth is in the center. On the outside is 1221, 1221 to the 7th gate, right over here. Why? Because 3 and 7 equals 56, 65, which equals to 1221. How can we do it another way? 1221, 65, 56. Creation 41, 41, 82, time heaven. You saw how we get to 82, right? Reverse it to 28, 1 and 4. Double and double, right? Split that again, we create 5 and 2, earth. But this also becomes 7 and 4. You split this 7, it becomes 8 and 2, and you're back to the cycle. 8 and 8 is 16, 2 and 2 is 4. See how we get to the DNA of the IT system, passage of the fox and the foxhole in the sun, to breaking and entering into time of Jesus, 3, 1, 3, where 7 and 4 come together, and 8 and 8 is 16, and 2 and 2 is 4, and that's how it was created. Twist and turn around things, and no matter what I say, I put the numbers to where they belong. The actuality. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.